This channel helps women over 50 navigate how to start an art hobby. If you're like me and you'd never picked up a paintbrush or a sketchbook, then this is the channel for you. When I was almost 50, I actually started dabbling in acrylic paint, and then I started branching out into other art mediums. But it was kind of messy. I was like a bumblebee, just never flying in a straight line. I was flitting from this to that, going here, going there. My path looked more like a plate of spaghetti. I decided I could map out a simple plan to help others get started. I'm still a newbie and I'm still learning, but I don't want you to make the mistakes that I did. To get the most out of this channel, start with the Get Started playlist. And here are a few tips as you go along the way. Tip number 1, watch them all. Yes, watch every one of those videos in the Get Started playlist. They are there to take you from absolute step 1, knowing not a thing, to just get started to build your skills. It is very important that you do this step. And not just for one medium, do them all. The reason why I say this is, as I went along my art journey, what I discovered was that there are other mediums that are as interesting as the ones I thought I wanted to do. And also learning some of the other ones helped build skills in the mediums I really liked. There's a lot of cross functionality, so you pick up and learn things that you can take into the other mediums. Tip number 2, rewatch your videos to build that muscle memory. I'm going to be like a broken record and I'm going to say practice, 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 because practice makes progress. We're not looking for perfection. We're beginners. Of course, it's not going to be perfect. But the more you repeat the process and the steps, the better you're going to get. Which brings me to tip number 3. Do some art every day. Practice every day. Or at least get yourself on a schedule. Even if you can only do it once a week, try and book your time. For example, if you give yourself every Saturday afternoon for 1 hour, do that and don't miss it. So if you have a consistent art practice, this is how your skills will develop and you will get so much better as an artist. Tip number 4, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you don't miss anything. Make sure you see when new videos are coming out. There could be something you're interested in learning. I put out a video, you're not subscribed, you don't get that notification. That's tragic. Tip number 5, get on my email list. The link is in the description box below. I know it sounds like I'm selling myself in the channel, which I kind of am. However, these are here to help you stretch and learn and grow as an artist. Take advantage of it. And the email list will give you even more than what you're getting on YouTube. And final, this is a bonus tip. Ask questions. Be sure if you are on the email list, if you are subscribed, even if you're not subscribed and you're just randomly finding a video, ask questions, put your comments down, send me an email, reach out. And I say this for a few reasons. 2 main ones. 1, I can help. So if you're frustrated or stuck, don't stay there. Reach out and ask a question. And then the second reason is, chances are, whatever question you're asking, someone else is thinking the same thing. Put it out there. Don't be afraid. So that's the channel in a nutshell. And this is me, Nancy Richmond, creator of Artful Adventures After 50. Everyone is welcome on the channel no matter what. So keep in touch. Like I said, subscribe, get on that email list, grab your magic daffodil template. If you don't know what that is, you're going to when you start watching that playlist. Thank you for watching. And until next time, happy creating. Bye for now.